Welcome back to part two of my unboxing video. And now we have a final product, a very big box. So this is going to take a while because not only am I going to open it, I'm going to have to assemble it. So are you ready? Because I have a scissors this time. Why Amazon keep like oh, what is this for? I don't understand why Amazon keep putting these paper in the box. Like, what is it for? Sorry, it was a plastic. I could probably understand because keep the product from getting wet. But it's literally a piece of. Okay, this is heavy. Ew. Hey, what? This is heavy. Why when I look for the bigger box, it wasn't that heavy? Ugh. It wasn't heavy when it was just this box only. Oh my word. Oh my word. Alright. Okay. So this is a mobility aid, guys. This is a toilet seat for me because I've decided that, you know, I am going to make my life easy. Society is not making my life easy. So, any little gadgets that are around for disabled persons, especially those of us who are in wheelchair and cannot walk any at all, can't stand up, you know, I'm going to buy it to make my life easy and to make me feel more comfortable. So, this was on my wish list and I got it. And it's heavy. So, let's see what's inside of this, and hopefully I will be able to read the instructions properly to assemble it correctly. Okay, let's go. So guys, if you know of somebody, someone who is disabled based on their disability and needs, it is, trust me, they will very much appreciate any gadgets or things like that that's going to make their life easy. As long as you are doing it from a place of care and love and not pity, because then you're going to make them feel less than. And if you're unsure, always ask questions. It's not a case where they mention something, but you want to get them something, always ask questions if you're unsure. especially if it's someone that you are not close to, you know. So you don't know how they will respond to you buying certain things for them, but if it's someone that you're close to, then more than likely they'll not feel any sort of way. They will be very glad for it because these things are hella expensive at times, which don't make any sense to me. Ooh, because I would assume the government, society want us to have an easier and better life. But these things are expensive. Oh, anyways, but if you can afford to get them something that's going to make their life easy, do so. They are going to very much. They're going to appreciate it. I'm telling you. Coming from somebody who has a disability, who enjoy getting these little things, as silly as they may seem sometimes, trust me, they go a long way. So again, if you're unsure, ask. If they say no, that's totally fine because they have the right to say no or yes. But it's very much appreciated, and the thought is appreciated as well. So I'm not sure what this is. I don't know, but let's figure it out. So we have that. Got some screws. Okay, and a lot of bubble wraps. I think this is a foot, or a piece of a foot. And this is a handle. I know that very much. I'm looking at the picture, not to mention it was on my Amazon card. So I've had a rough idea of what it looks like. Okay. Oh, and by the way, you don't necessarily have to have a physical disability to get certain things. Mobility aids are items that makes just moving around our everyday mundane things easy. So you don't have to have a disability. You can be an elderly person. You can even um had surgery, or you just want life to be a little bit easy for you. You can always get it. So you don't have to wait until you have a disability to get certain things. Even though they were invented because of disabled persons or persons fresh from surgery and they have to make these things because they can't do certain things after a surgery. So these are items that come in handy. All right, so this is the final piece in the box, and I think this is the heavier item. This is the seat. All right, guys. I think I'm going to do a part 3 because I yapped the entire time of this video, and I want the other video to just dedicate to putting this up like an educational video. So I'll be back for part 3 so we can learn how to put this toilet seat up together. Yes, so I'll see you for part 3.